Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to move all your WordPress posts and pages from one website to another without losing a single piece of content, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you a foolproof way to import your posts and pages using a simple XML file. Perfect for site migrations, redesigns, or just consolidating content. Let's dive right in. Have your export file ready. Before we begin, you need an exported XML file from your original WordPress site. If you haven't done that yet, go to the old site's dashboard, head to Tools Greater Than Export, and download the XML file containing all your posts and pages. Keep that file handy on your computer. It's the key to this entire process. Log into your new WordPress site, open your browser, and go to wordpress.com. Click the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your WordPress credentials, or for a quicker experience, choose. Continue with Google if your account is linked. Once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, you're ready for the import. Access the Import tool. In the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard, look for Tools, click it, then select Import. You'll see a list of different platforms you can import from. Don't worry if it seems like it's meant for other systems. Choose the Blogger option. Here's a tip that throws some people off. Even if your original site isn't Blogger, you'll select Blogger for this process. Why? Because WordPress treats the XML format from Blogger and WordPress the same way, making this the perfect method for importing your content. Upload your XML file. Next, you'll be prompted to upload your exported file. Click Browse or Choose File, locate that XML file you saved earlier, and select it. Double-check that you've chosen the correct file. It should end with .xml. Start the import. Finally, click Upload File and Import. WordPress will take a few moments to process everything depending on the size of your file. When it's done, you'll see all your posts and pages available on your new site, titles, text, images, and formatting intact. And that's it. You've successfully imported posts and pages from one WordPress website to another in just a few clicks. No complicated plugins, no coding, just a simple XML transfer. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.